5 simple to use, easy to understand applications that are available for every South African to start investing using them. Today I'm sharing those 5 applications, how do they work, how do they function, how do they invest your money, and why it's so crucial to understand each and every one of them and choose the best for you. Do ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell and like this video. So let's get into it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we talk about everything personal finance, self-development and law. Today, as always, as it's been the theme for the past few months, we are talking about basic ways in which you can start investing. But today we are targeting 5 apps which are making it easy for everyday South African to start investing. I'll be explaining them, how do they work, how do they invest your money, just scratching the surface about those 5 apps. But before we get to the video, please do remember that none of my video constitute as financial advice. If you're looking for financial advice, go speak to someone who's registered as a financial advisor. So let's get into those 5 apps. I have my notes with me to ensure that I give everything to the dot, I don't miss any information, and also I get everything correctly. So do not get worried when I keep on looking down, I'm referring to my notes. So let's get into it. The first app, then it's not only order, guys, just to keep it clear, there's no order. It just means just the way I listed them when I was doing my research and just getting all the information. So the first app is Stash by Liberty. This is one of the most talked about investing app for beginners or people who don't love to have all the administration of investing into them but just want something to be done automatic. This is an app for you. What it does, that it offers you an opportunity to invest per change in your money. It allows you to invest those 2 rand, those 3 rands, those spare change in money when you do your banking transaction. It invests them so that you don't have to worry about how much really are you going to put aside. Let me make an example. If you link your bank account to Stash by Liberty and you buy, for example, a 2-liter Coke for 18 rand, this app will invest the 2 rand change that is left, because it runs it off to the nearest 10, which is 20 rand, and you bought a 2-liter Coke for 18 rand and you're left with 2 rand change. That's the spare change that this app will take and will invest that 2 rand to the top 40 companies in the JSE. This is what this app does it for you. It invests automatic for you. If you buy bread for 9 rand, it will invest the 1 rand left to reach the 10 rand, round it off. A system that they have. It's an amazing app. I haven't used it myself, but my close friend of mine is using this app, and this app is tailor-made as a tax-free savings account. So you are limited within the rules of a tax-free savings account. So within the year you can invest a maximum of 36,000 rand through the system. It has things such as a stash per day, where you can set the app every single day to automatically invest. Maybe you can say 5 rand every day. So when you wake up in the morning, the app automatically invests 5 rand for you. When you wake up in the morning, the app can automatically invest 20 rand, but it's up to you how much you set it for. So that's the beauty of this app. And also it has this thing called Sweet. And Sweet is when you, like, for every, I think it's every 20 calories that you burn through the phone, because you know phones nowadays, they allow you to track how many calories you burn through running, walking, whatever calories you burn with this app, it will invest 5 cents for it. For every 20 calories you burn, this app will invest 5 cents on the top 40 companies in the JSE for you. This app basically automates investing, make investing simple. It makes investing linked to your daily life working. If you do the stash per day thing, for the mere fact that you woke up today, the app will take 5 rand from your bank account and put it in the top 40 companies in the JSE. The fact that you ran for 100 meters today, it will take 5 cents and invest it for you. So this app makes it more simple, much more easier for you to invest without even thinking about it. So this is one of the great apps about it. It's called Stash by Liberty. It's registered under the Liberty Group company, so you can check it out. And the second app that you can download and can help you in your investment journey is called Livestock World app. This app is all about crowdfunding, investing into agriculture. This app allows you to invest into a cow without even actually physically owning that cow. So you can own a cow, own cattle without having to have land to put them on. So that's the beauty of this app. You can do that. It allows you with that opportunity. It's called Livestock World. It has things such as free range ox, it had macadamia tree, connected gardens, it have pregnant cows. Then you can invest into any of those underlying assets in the way that you want. You pick your investments, you pick what product you want, you invest it. You don't have to actually own those macadamia tree physically. There's somewhere in the farm that will give you all the detail which farm it is and all of that, but you only track everything in your app and you see your growth inside that app. So it's called Livestock World. It's an amazing app to download, and it truly is amazing. So app number 3 is called Luno. I don't know why I was calling it Luna for so long, because I actually used to use this app myself back in the, I think back in 2 years, or I think yeah, back in 2 years time, I was using this app. It's an amazing app. It allows you to have digital currency and own them. It's a wallet for digital currency such as ATR, such as Bitcoin. You can have them, you can buy them, you can sell them in that app. You can keep this the currencies there as in that app as your wallet for cryptocurrencies. Is an amazing app, and with the growth of Bitcoin and Ether, it makes it easier and makes it more accessible for everyone to invest in those two cryptocurrencies. It's simple to use. Everything there is in the South African rand sense. They put them in South African rand sense so you can understand how much really do you have in the rand value, because under other apps that are using Bitcoin, they tend to have US dollar and so you have to do the exchange rate and everything. But this app keep it within the South African contents, make it easy to use, easy to understand, easy to deposit money into it. So you can invest if you're looking to invest into the digital currency world, into Bitcoin and all of that. This app called Luno is one of the great apps to have. I used it back 2 years time, if not a year ago. I used it 2 years ago, if it's not a year ago. I use it, but now I moved my cryptocurrencies into another platform, which I'll get into later. So this is an amazing app. I love the fact that it's a London-based company, but I love how they've localized it in terms of South African understanding, in terms of the graphs, in terms of everything that is simple to understand, easy to use. It's one of the digital apps that you really have to have if you're looking to go into cryptocurrencies and you're a beginner and you're an average South African. You don't have that much knowledge about it. That's what I love about it. Okay, app number 4 is called Frank app, or it's under the Frank group. This app basically is an easy way that allows people to invest money and also helps you to understand what type of investor that you are. That's the beauty of this app. This app invests your money in 2 ways, which is cash and equities. In terms of equities, it invests your money into one of the ETF which are listed in the JSE, and in terms of cash, I think they have a partnership or some form of partial partnership with R and Gray. And this app is so easy to use. It doesn't give you that much of administration to use. At the same time, it costs you so much less because it only charges you to 1% of your annual investment. So if you invest 100 rand for the whole year, this app will only charge you 1 rand for the whole year. So that's the beauty of this app. It's cheap, easy to understand, and in fact that it only invests into cash in the money market with Alan Gray, or into equities in terms of one of the ETF which are listed in the JSE. And another thing about this app is that it allows you to be able to take what is called a risk assessment inside it, so you can understand what type of investor are you, what type of risk can you take. And that's the beauty of this app, so that you can invest money according to your risk investment, according to your risk assessment result, and also according to your income, your debts and everything. So that this app takes all of that into account when it invests your money into equities or into the money market in form of cash. So that's the beauty of this app. As I said, it also invests through an ETF. So you guys, if you want me to do a video about ETFs, please tell me in the comment section below, so I can be able to know if you really want me to do a video about exchange traded funds, so you guys can understand them. So that's the beauty of this app. And the last app, which is my favorite, I use this app every day to invest, is one of my favorite one. It's called Easy Equities. I have spoken about Easy Equities so much in my videos, but this app allows you to invest in so many underlying assets in, like, you can go into the market for deep with this app. Allows you also to have the administration power of investing into your hands. I use this app in a form of investing into JSE listed companies, easy traded funds, able to invest in my crypto. As I said before that I move my cryptocurrencies, now I do them and the easy equity too. They are there. I invest them under the DCX10 category in the easy equity apps. It's easy to understand. It's cheap. It doesn't have all that how can I say bombastic financial investment terminologies. It makes things simple to use. You can invest in the New York stock market. You can invest into the Australian market. You can invest into the Johannesburg stock market. You can invest into properties with easy properties inside the easy equity apps. You can invest into so many underlying assets. It also has exchanged notes inside it. It also has a lot inside this app. Easy Equity is the app to use. You can download your money. You can deposit your money easy, and within 1 to 2 hours your money reflects into easy equity. You can start investing. It's so amazing. It's a good app to use. Download it. All these apps I'm telling you about, guys, they're available through Google Store, through iOS, iStore, those who are using Apple. So these apps are the one make it simple for everyday South African, me and you, to invest. We don't need to have that much deep financial investing understanding. We just need to understand ourselves and the view we want to, and the risk we want to take, and how long when I invest, how much when I invest, and many of the other things the apps or themselves take care of them. But you really need to do research about what type of investor are you, what type of investing do you want to do, because when you use easy equity and you want to go into investing into companies who are listed in the JSE, you want to invest into ShopRite, Pick and Pay, Capitec Bank, you want to invest into all those companies, People Group, and all of them, then you must do your research about them. You invest into the exchange traded funds, ETFs. You must do your research and understand which one works for you. Also, some of this app also go offshore, they go international. As I said, Easy Equity has the New York stock markets there, as the Australian stock market there, so you can even go invest in other countries while here at home, and just using your phone and transferring your money from a normal Capitec bank account or Standard Bank bank account or Time Bank bank account to Easy Equity, and Easy Equity just transfers to the currency of the country you want to invest into for you, and you just start investing in the Australian market. If you even want to buy into property with Easy Property, now you can invest into Easy Property. Is like a stock for property, so you can invest as little as like R1 into property. You can invest in like 200 Rand, 3,000 Rand. Even if you want to invest $1 million, you can invest $1 million with it. So that's the thing I'm telling you about. Like, in terms of also Frank app, it has risk assessments for you. It tells you what kind of investor are you. In things like Livestock World, now you can invest into livestock, into agriculture, while sitting at home using your phone. Apps like apps like the Liberty apps, a stash, which allows you to just basically invest while running. If you run for 200 miles, it will invest. So for 200 meters, if you run for 200 meters, the app will calculate the calories. The apps will calculate the calories that you have burned for that run and invest money based on that, which is keeping you fit at the same time keeping you financially fit as well. So these are some of the apps you can look into. Easy to use, easy to access. So if you have any questions about them, we can have a conversation in the comment section below. Talk about how do they work. I'm not an expert in all of them, but I will try to help you guys out in the comment section below. And if you want to take it to Twitter, you can take it to my Twitter account. I will answer you guys there. As always, I am Ivan Sambo, your student investor. Thank you so much for watching, guys.